Welcome to my course on enhancing Black beauty. My name is Alish Pierce. I am the founder of the online beauty portal Ask Alish, where we help people create their own unique definition of beauty. I created this course for women who are serious about mastering their beauty regimen. And if you're a professional interested in expanding your application technique, this course is for you too. It is the perfect format to help you gain a greater understanding of global beauty. As we move through these 3 tutorials, I want you to examine your beliefs about beauty. Are you accepting the features in front of you, or are you trying to morph them into some preconceived idea of what's attractive? I mean, we all do it to some degree, but I think that whether you're a novice or a professional, it's important to remain objective so that you can enhance the features you like while minimizing those that are less favorable. I always encourage my clients to think of makeup application as self-care. It's just one step in a series of procedures that help women look and feel their very best.